Hi guys, it's Weta, and right now I'm really annoyed with myself. I love this ATC, and I lost the footage, and that's what I get because I delete my videos way too soon. I need to wait until they're uploaded before deleting. Just very frustrated. But this is for that ATC swap I'm doing at ATCs for All. It's a 3 for 3, which means I'll probably do 4, one for a hostess. But it's mixed media, and it has to have a heart on it, and it has to have some type of positive image. So it's a heart positivity swap. And if you know me, hearts are not my typical thing, not sweethearts anyway. And positivity, I'm not a negative Nancy, but I'm a dark Nancy. So saying something uplifting, again, a little out of my comfort zone. In fact, I did have to go look up and see what other people were using for sayings to get ideas. And then I just went to a paperback and cut out a whole bunch of words and put them face up. And when you do that, you end up getting sayings that you wouldn't have thought about. So this one is a fairly standard, get it to focus, trust your heart. Since I lost the video and I really do like this card, I thought I would share with you how I made it. The base is some very textured paper. This is fiber paper that I think I got at Dirt Cheap. So it's very heavily textured. This is the color. I think you can see that texture. Yeah. And I went over it with Distress Oxide Cracked Pistachio. The border is a Distress Crayon, and it should be right at the very top since I was using it, yeah, in Mermaid Lagoon. I went around the edges with that. So that gave you like the background. The next thing I did is I took this stencil. It's Funky Hearts, and I really liked it because it's sort of it lets you play with a negative space. I'm sorry, one of my studio, Michi, wake up, baby. She's over there twitching and snoring, and I don't think that's a good puppy dream. Moomer, baby. There you go. Okay. Didn't look like a good dream. Anyway, I pressed my Versamark pad. I put this over. I put that down. Pressed my Versamark pad. Put clear embossing powder. And so that's the outline of the dark heart. I used Prismacolor pencil to sort of go on the inside and the outside of it. And I used my Prismacolor pencil to go around the heart. I used that one. That one's Denim. Little rant. Brand freaking new pencil in denim. Never before sharpened. I now have half a pencil left, and all I managed to do was go around the heart and go around the words, and half my pencil is gone. I think I spent 12 minutes fighting, trying to get a point on it that I could use at all. So very frustrated with that. So I went around the words, I went around the heart, I went around the outlines of this heart. There's some white on the music note heart that I put in there with a white Sakura pen. And these were little flowers that I sprayed with Distress in Mermaid Lagoon again. And there was a green that looked just like Cracked Pistachio. I actually had a spray in that because those are colors that I really like. And I came in with, what is this? Studio G glitter glue. Don't know, but that's what I used in the corners and in the center of the flower, and then I put a stone. I've got 3 stones there, and I've got some more of this stuff. around those 3 stones. Then in the background, I came in with a Stardust pen, a Sakura Stardust pen, in a color that matched the background. These pens are awesome. They have the little star. Let's see, right. See if I can get that to show up on the pen cap. Focus. I don't think it's going to show up. Maybe you can see it there. There's a star on that pen cap right there. And those are the Sakura Jelly Roll Stardust pens. I love these pens. The cap is kind of clear. It's got a little ball tip that should tell you sort of the color. Mine doesn't, which means I used it with when I had other pens out. And I went around the background and just drew linking swirls all in the background with it, except on the inside of this heart. I wanted to leave it plain where I had the words to help them stand out a little more and play with some negative space. So that's what I did. Hate that I lost the footage. I am so sorry. Note to self, don't delete videos until they're uploaded. I will try to do better, guys. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.